Cookworks stainless steel variable temperature glass kettle. I'm excited to open this one. This is something special. Literally, the box just comes like this. On this side we have the base. I'm gonna open it up. That is a nice base. Look at that. Looks like a stainless brushed steel finish. Got the on 70 Celsius, 80, 90, 100, and keep warm. That's nice. Okay, let's put that there. And for the kettle itself. That is a big kettle. It's actually really big. Didn't expect it to be this big, but yeah, it's a big kettle. Look. Let's put that on. It's a very nice kettle. How do we get the top open? Let's see, I think you press that button there. Yeah, pops open. We got 1.7 litres max. And you can watch your water boiling. That is a great product. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching. Follow more. Hit the subscribe button for more product videos. I'm Sachthemotive. Let me motivate you. Over and out.